Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your devices are accounted for and your originals are safe. First, on the device you use most, open Settings and tap your name, then go to iCloud and Photos. Once done, choose Download and keep originals if you need local copies. This prevents accidental loss. Now toggle off iCloud Photos. Do it on the primary device first so the library stops syncing. This step stops uploads immediately, which is why you back up beforehand. You continue by consolidating the library on one machine. On a Mac, open Photos, Preferences, and iCloud. Select Download Originals to this Mac if you want full-resolution files locally. Next, move through each secondary device and either sign out of iCloud Photos or toggle it off. This ensures they don't re-upload or delete items unexpectedly. Make sure you understand. Turning off without downloading can remove iCloud-only items, so confirm your backups before you remove anything from iCloud. You complete the task by verifying the changes. Visit iCloud. Com and open Photos to confirm the cloud library reflects your intent, then check each device to ensure iCloud Photos is off. If you want to remove cloud copies, delete them in iCloud Photos and then empty recently deleted to free space. If photos still reappear, check that no device remains signed in to the same Apple ID with iCloud Photos enabled. Verify network connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.